Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this beautiful Attache mini album that I've created with our brand spanking new collection, Blush and Easter Scrapbook Paper Collection by Decorate Your Life. Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my very first project with our brand spanking new Easter Spring paper collection, Blush. Blush is a scrapbook paper collection that you can use either for Easter or spring if you don't celebrate Easter. And I'll go ahead and do a flip through of the paper collection after I show you my project. So I decided to make this absolutely adorable. I love it. Mini album. It is an Attache mini album, and it took me 3 days to make it. I tell you, I'm slow when it comes to crafts. I am slow. I take my time. And so anyways, let me just show you kind of like how it looks on the outside, upside down, right side up. And I decided to add that to the back, and I'll tell you in a minute why. Okay, so this mini album, while making this mini album, I also decided that I'm going to be holding a giveaway. Yes, it is a giveaway in which you are going to win not only Blush, the paper pack, the paper collection, but you are also going to win this mini album and another project that I'm in the midst of making with the very same paper collection. So if you are interested in this giveaway, all you have to do is give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and and make sure that you are a visible subscriber. I'll go ahead and list the rules of my giveaway in the description area of this video. And if you happen to be overseas, I'm not going to be able to mail you a box with your goodies, your winnings, because it just costs too much. So if the winner is from overseas, what I can do is I can give you this and a couple of other paper collections as digital downloads, and then I would hold a separate giveaway, and hopefully I will land some. It will be somebody right here in the US who can walk away with the mini album that I'm about to show you in my other project. So let's go ahead and view this. So let me go ahead and set it right here just to make sure that you can see it. Okay, great. So as far as the dimensions of this Attache mini album, we are looking at, it's approximately 6 by 5, okay? And I made the photo mats big enough so that you can put regular photos in your mini album. And so this right here, we start with this pocket. It is a pocket, and it's just like something like if you were to win this, let's say, and you want to gift it to somebody, birthday, whatever, okay, you can always add a, right here for you, whatever, a little note or something, something that the other person will be able to cherish for a long time. And so over here, I did use several different dies. This right here is a Sizzix die, okay? And so, and the paper, the mini album, is constructed with watercolor paper number 1 because I did use a lot of, some dies. And so once you construct a mini album with watercolor paper, and then you add the cardstock on either side and the mats and everything, it becomes pretty sturdy, if you can hear that. See, it's pretty sturdy. Plus, obviously, you know, this is not going to be something that you're going to be throwing around here and there. It is a very beautiful and decorative piece. So I would hope that you're not throwing it around all over the place. So anyways, moving on. Right along here, this is a border die from Heartfelt Creations. And this label die is also from Heartfelt Creations. Now, as you can see, we have a label here that says Best Wishes. This paper collection not only comes with a plethora of designs, beautiful designs, but it also has, let me see if I can find it here. Oh, we also give you background papers in 3 shades that coordinate extremely well with the designs, the illustrations, and we also have, let me see if I can find it. No. We also have some word strips, okay, and that's where the Best Wishes comes from, word strips. Now, this mini album does have a magnetic closure, just so that you're aware of that. It's held right here with 3 magnets. I put one here, and another one here, and it opens just like so. Okay, this little piece right here is a flat back button for my stash, and the way I put this on, I used E6000, so this is not going to go anywhere. Right along here, see this little strip here? This is a border die. It is a Becca Feekin die back in the day when she was with Spellbinders. So I decided to make it look like the handle. As you can see, this is like the handle, makeshift handle. And to hold the handle down, of course, it has been glued down here. And over here, we have some flat back pearls with some, bling. The word escapes me, but because this is a handle here, it doesn't mean that you're gonna hold it up like so, because this is just glued down. So this is like for decorative purposes only, okay? Just letting you know that. So I just basically, the way I cut the paper, I brought the design, as you can see, down. Right over along here, we have a couple of bunnies. They're by a door. You will see the papers in a little bit. They're by the door, and I just brought the design down. Now, let me tell you what I did over here so that you'll know. When I was cutting this paper for the back piece, it wasn't facing the right direction. I had it this way instead of cutting it this way vertically. So that was my mistake, my boo-boo. And so to kind of like cover up, you know, that boo-boo or make lemonade out of lemons, I went ahead and I added this kind of like a backdrop, but it's in the foreground, of course. And this is from another, I believe, a Becca Feekin die, but this is also from Spellbinders from back in the day. Okay, and right along here you find some paper that is one of the background shades that you get with this paper collection. So upon opening it, it opens up like so. Okay, over here, what I decided to do right along here was I wanted the pink, as you can see, to come out here, but I wanted some form of a shadow. I don't know if you could tell, kind of like I wanted it to make it what's that word? Oh, gee, it escapes me. Anyways, I'm having surgery tomorrow. That's where my mind is right now. Well, I'm making this video on Wednesday night, and you're not going to get to see it till Friday. Saturday morning. Okay, so anywho, keep going, Sandy. Alrighty, so I went ahead and I pop dotted this part right along here so that it would be dimensional. That's the word that I'm looking for, dimensional. Okay, so it opens up like so. Just like that, and we're going to have a pocket right along here. This is from one of my Spellbinders pocket dies, and we have two tags and a little card. I made this 3x3 card with some scraps from the paper collection, and I'm gonna write a thank you to whoever wins. So a little note here is gonna be for the winner, and with these are just generic flag dies that I use to make these two tags. So excuse me, my voice. So I went ahead and I used watercolor paper, obviously, and some scraps from the paper collection. And you will see the paper collection is so cute. I just love it. I love it. I love it. It's got so many layers and everything. So it's got gnomes, it's got birdies, it's got flowers, it's got butterflies. It's super. So over here, I decided to make another tag using, once again, my dies from Spellbinders, and it's using also watercolor paper. You can either write a note here or add a picture, write a note here, dates and whatever. And this is the pocket for this tag, and as you can see, that's the front and that's the back. And this right here, Hello Spring, is part of the word strips that are offered, that are in the collection. So another thing that I did, as you can see, I decided to add a pen. I made this bling pen over here in case you want to write stuff down, for your collection. And you're just going to have to remove that wax seal that it has. And so, yeah, this goes right along here. And like so. Okay, so over here we have what I'm calling, and I think this is a terminology for it, a fan fold type sheet. You'll see it. So this part does not have magnets, just the closing mechanism. So over here we did kind of like a fan fold type of thing, in which it goes like so. It goes like so, like so, like so, and like so. And then it goes like so, like so, like so, like so. And see, it's like that, okay? So yeah, it is really cute, and all you gotta do, this is gonna be a lot thicker once you add your pictures, your notes, and whatever. And you can even make some photo mats with a paper collection that you win. You can make even more photo mats and just put them here, and add them to your mini album. So this closes like this, and what I'm gonna do with this is you can either fit it here or just put it back in here, just like that, and it goes just like that. So yeah, if you are interested in winning not only the paper collection, but my projects using this paper collection, go ahead and check out the rules in the description area of this video. I do have pictures at the end, and I also have the scrapbook paper walkthrough. So I hope that you really like this collection. I love it. I'm like, wow, I just love it. And I love all the things that you can make with it. Like I said, if you don't celebrate Easter, you can use it for spring. It is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye now.